Hello everybody, welcome to a vlog, a random vlog. Yesterday was Friday, in the early morning days of it, and doing some video stuff. It looked like some incoming. So, I'm filming with the Canon T3i with the zoom lens on it. So that's what I'm up to. So I had to stop for a moment to see if I can catch those planes or not. So, not very much as an airplane catching. Like, I'm hearing another plane too. Oh, maybe not. Is it the perfect plane? No, but not the perfect plane that I am looking for. So, that's pretty much I'm up to. And I need to stop saying a lot too. But, not very much, should we, say. So, hoping to catch plane. Yeah, if there's not very many plane activity, I might go inside. So, I will catch you, well, I'll see you later on throughout my day. So, yeah. Okay, so I got a couple of good film with these airplanes, so pretty good. So by now I have enough of these planes now, so we go back inside and do the boring stuff. So this vlog is going to be very short, so do feel free to subscribe or Google Plus me and give the video a thumbs up, and feel free to leave comments on the video, and do check the link below, and do click on show me more at the bottom. So that's it for today. Well, today, as we are recording this. So I will catch you next time, people, and see you later.